dangane da batun coronavirus.
At the beginning of the year, when I was giving you the prophecies concerning the new year, I did tell you that God said that this year the world will behave like a child in convulsion. But there was something extra he said, which I couldn't tell you then. He told me loud and clear that this year the whole world is going to be on compulsory holiday. When I heard that one, that was difficult to explain. But now, the compulsory holiday is here. Because my daddy says he wants to show the world that he's still the one in control.
The concept of one world, one people, a global community has come to an identifiable clarity, but sadly